Every day, billions of hands touch a small piece of paper. But behind every Indian currency note lies a story of design, security, and trust.
In India, currency is not created by chance. It is authorized and regulated by the Reserve Bank of India, ensuring stability and trust across the nation.
India has highly secure currency printing facilities. Strict monitoring and confidentiality ensure the integrity of every note.
Before a note exists, it is carefully designed. Every symbol, portrait, and color represents India's culture, heritage, and values. Indian currency includes multiple layers of security. These features protect the nation's economy and help citizens identify genuine notes. Currency begins not as money, but as a carefully designed security document, created under strict authority. Advanced systems handle currency processing with precision, accuracy, and constant monitoring. Each sheet is transformed into individual notes through automated precision systems. Each sheet is carefully transformed into individual notes through automated precision systems. Advanced systems handle currency sheets with precision and constant monitoring. Multiple verification stages ensure that only approved currency enters circulation. Every stage is supervised by trained professionals following strict verification protocols. Verified notes are securely bundled and prepared for distribution. Verified notes are stacked and bundled in controlled environments. India's national currency is produced inside some of the most secure facilities in the world. Packed under tight security, the currency is prepared for controlled distribution. Packed under strict security, the currency is now ready for controlled distribution across the nation. From here, the currency enters a secure national distribution network.
Once printed, currency moves through a secure distribution network percent, from vaults to banks and finally to the public.
From secure facilities to everyday hands, the Indian rupee carries trust, value, and responsibility. A currency note is more than paper. It is trust. It is value. It is the backbone of a nation.